How does air pollution impact our world? Air pollution affects us in many ways. It affects our health, our buildings, our crops and forests, our climate, and indeed our whole world. We most notice the impacts of air pollution when there is a lot of it around, like during major bushfires. When smoke is blown into towns and cities and you can't see much further than the end of your street. Air pollution can affect different people in different ways. Some people can become so ill they need to go to hospital, and in extreme cases, air pollution can kill some vulnerable people. But it's not just real people who are affected by air pollution. So are stone people. Many older buildings, especially in more polluted parts of the world, have been gradually wearing away, with many statues damaged by acidic particles in the air eating away at the stone. In places where there has been a lot of coal burned, light-coloured buildings have gradually turned black, unless, like this example in London, they have been cleaned and restored. But it's not just towns and cities that are affected. These trees are also dying because of acidic particles in the air, which came mainly from burning coal. Returning to New Zealand now, bushfires are still small and uncommon here compared to Australia or America, but smoke from Australian bushfires turned some of New Zealand's glaciers pink in the summer of 2019 and 2020. This makes the snow more likely to absorb heat from the sun and melt faster, causing our glaciers to shrink even faster than they already were. But air pollution can also affect the whole world. When we breathe, we emit an invisible gas, carbon dioxide. There is always some carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, but as we are breathing it out, trees are also absorbing it in. But increasingly, we are chopping down more trees than we are planting. Carbon dioxide is also being emitted by factories, cars, trucks, ships and planes, and the amount in the atmosphere is going up and up. This matters because heat from the sun can pass through the carbon dioxide to warm us up, but the heat from the earth cannot pass back through the carbon dioxide. This traps the heat in the atmosphere, making it gradually warmer. This is called the greenhouse effect and is responsible for what we call global warming. This means, overall, the world is getting warmer. This causes more snow and ice in our mountains and our glaciers and our poles to melt. The extra water and the warmth causes the ocean to expand and sea levels to rise. This climate change is impacting us in many ways and will continue to do so for at least a few centuries by changing the weather, what plants can grow in different places, what food is available for animals, and what diseases can spread.